Yo, what's up, guys? Today, this is like just a chilling time. I'm not really telling a story or nothing, but we got to talk. Gots to talk. The reason why I don't do Minecraft gameplay or GTA gameplay no more is because first GTA, all my money's gone, everything's gone. Like, not my business and stuff is not gone, but my money and my cars and stuff. But other than that, Minecraft is just not really feeling Minecraft no more. Why isn't? Hold up. There we go.
If it moves, kill it.
So yeah.
Green light. Green light.
Hold up. Hold up. I have to restart the game. But yeah, my Minecraft gameplay. Nobody's like doing anything. So I guess I'm just gonna have to be doing that. So yeah.
Shooter. The 54 Immortals crush all opposition.
Alright. Let's kill some niggas. Let's kill some niggas. Let's kill some niggas. Yeah. Oh yeah, and my last live stream, I found out who hacked me, and it was one of the people that was working with me. I guess they decided, hey, I'm gonna pull a prank on this dude and make him freak out even more. So he hacked he hacked the group channel's account. And yeah. They can hear me. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Ooh, they thought. Yo.
Threat neutralized.
Come on, come back, come back. Yeah, boy. Whoa. Bow. What a get though, what a get though. I'ma kill him in a who goes, who knows. You suck though, go get some these and do though. Oh, I die though, it's alright though. I'ma kill this fool like though. I'ma stop. Alright, I'll stop. But you got to admit them bars was hot. Get out of here, dude. I'm not gay, my friend. I'm not gay like yo. Oh no, heck no. Yeet. Oh man, dude, they're straight across. They're killing this. So what I'm gonna do? I'll go silence everybody. They shot me at 2,000 bolts of a freaking gun. Why did I go over? What the heck is wrong with my brain today? I was doing good right when I got in here. And I was hoping I was gonna go all the way in. Oh, if that would have blinded her, that would have been sick as freaking crap, though. Oh man, he's killing the freaking fudge and doo-doos out of us. Alright, so what we gotta do is work as a freaking team and kill these dudes. Kill these dudes like my doo-doo kills everybody in the freaking school. Whoa, I see you, girl. Dude, his health is like down so low. What the heck? This dude is so brilliant right now. Oh my god, dude, they're taking over. They're taking it over. They're so taking it over. Whoa, nope, you thought, girl. Is that it? Oh my god, dude, I gotta go in with the freaking bow. What the world? Oh. Alright, I got an idea. What the world is wrong with my freaking avatar? Yeah, let's go. Hold on.
Hostile ACXD spotted.
Bro, this is like the most hard game I ever played of freaking Call of Duty. Mostly because I just joined. Oh god, I almost died, dude. Chill out, dude. Oh, heck no. I gotta do my freaking style jump thing. Go like this, and then you go like that. It always works. Watch me whip. So watch me nene, watch me do, watch me whip. Whip, so watch me nene. Watch me whip. So watch me nene. Watch me whip, to watch me nene. I don't even know the whole freaking song. Yo, that was dope though. Whoa, 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 what? No, hell no! No, that's gonna grab out of my man, I got a fart. Well, I probably shouldn't have said that on camera, my bad, y'all. But you know what I gotta do. I want you to. how you do it. Yo, she took my kill. Beat. Come on. Yo, we got this. Somebody get them kills, bro. Start killing these niggas. No, hell no. Oh. We lost. We lost. GG, dude. G freaking to the freaking GG, dawg. Oh, heck no. How many kills did I get? 3. Are you freaking serious? I did worse than everybody in a freaking game. Are you freaking... Okay. It's straight, it's all good. It's all Gucci and a hoochie, bro. Go back, put them back.
Focus. Discipline. Practice more.
Yo, what's your number? Nah, I'm missing y'all. I'm back at it again with the multi life. I'm gonna call somebody on Skype. No, you don't wanna pick up? No? You're like, nah, dude, get the fuck up out of here. Ah, sorry, sorry. Yo, what you doing? Yo, what are you doing? Oh, snap. What happened? What just happened? Oh, God. God, dude, I did so bad. Like when you got a freaking fart and you just can't stop for my rap bucket, just can't stop for my guts. Yo, I got a message on this spot. Alright, let's start this. Oh God, I gotta put my gun. Ow. Yeah, we know this, bro. Let's just start the game, bro. Let's just start the game. Holy flip, my gut and the sack and the freaking duck. Dude, this is so freaking, bruh. No, heck no. Get up out of here, dude. Bro. Yes, I'm black, but I'm not white. Yes, I'm black, I'm not white, though. Oh. Yo, people used to think I was white when I was a baby. Not to be racist to anybody out there, but yeah. Get the fuck out of here. Bow! 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 What the heck? What did it is this?
Incoming.
Boop. Oh, the lag is so real. Oh no.
Nomad KIA.
He got that freaking ninja sword out, and that's dangerous though. I got 2 kills so far. Yeah, this is gonna go perfect, you know. Just gonna do right. Uh-oh, y'all ready? Oh, hold up. I'm gonna go to options. I'm gonna go to controls, and I'm gonna just I'm gonna go up high. All right, you ready? Oh. Daggone dude. I'm trying to hit his trick shot. It's physically hard to hit a trick shot. Uh-oh. Oh, fragno, my ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. We want to be in the face so bad, dude. Like, whew. Dang it, dude.
Advised. Hostile counter UAV is online. Hostile UAV spotted. Hostile care package overhead.
Oh my god, dude, this is so freaking hard. Dude, move.
Be advised. Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
Oh my god, dude. It wasn't even fully reloaded. Are you serious, dude?
Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
Really?
Be advised. Hostile lightning strike targeting active.
Sparrow ready.
Oh, yes, let's go, dude. Watch out.
Hostile counter UAV above.
Mm.
Be advised. Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Dang it, dude. My gun wouldn't like freaking launch and stuff, dude.
Hostile UAV above.
Hold up, is this as high as it can go? Because oh, it's not a
Hostile
very high. All right, let's do this, dude. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, dude, this is gonna be epic. All right, let's do this. Let's do this, dude. I'm so freaking ready. God, what was that? Oh, all right, y'all ready? Is everybody ready? Look at this turn. Oh, all right, you ready?
rolling thunder overhead.
Ooh. Dude. Ragnar, F that dude. Oh. Let's go, dude. Frack my balls, dude. Oh, frack. He's right there, too. Wait, there ain't no bomb right there, though. So if I can get in there, dude. I only got 2 kills and 16 deaths, dude. You know, this is like the worst I ever played, to be honest.
Hostile UAV spotted.
Alright, dude. Alright, I gotta do this like somewhere epic. doing a bonus so that way I can get a DLC for free. Let's get. What's the split, dude? God, it's so hard. Peace out, y'all.